Hi my peeps, what's up, wagwan? Welcome back to your girl Tiona in the house, and welcome back to the healthier side of things. Alright guys, now I'm from Jamaica, and you know Jamaican love them guava juice. Now guys, I got this pack of guava at the supermarket, and guys, I'm gonna make some guava and pineapple juice with some ginger and some lime. You can use lemon. And I just cut the guava in two, and I'm gonna use a little bit. Little of this, little of that. All right, and I'm gonna add a little bit of honey to taste. All right, so we want to put the ginger, pineapple. You can use fresh pineapple, guys. This is the frozen one. I had them in the freezer. We're gonna pack everything in, guava and everything. All right, let me show you. We're gonna squeeze the lime juice in it. There you go. And I'm gonna add about 2 cups of water. And we're gonna blend it. All right guys, the next step, you want to strain it. All right, Alright guys, once you strain it, that's the goodness. This is the goodness. Look how thick and nice. So the next step, you want to add a little sweetener to it. I'm going to put about 2 tablespoons of honey. You can put about, say, 1/4 cup of sugar. I don't want mine to be too sweet. And that's it guys. We're gonna serve it up over some crushed ice. We're gonna add 2 cubes of ice, and we're gonna pour some in. Add a little bit of mint. Something like so. All right, my peeps, this is it. This is my delicious guava pineapple juice. Yes, refreshing, delicious, tasty, Jamaican flavor, Jamaican vibes. Yes, yes, guys. Healthy juice or drink. All right, guys. Look at that goodness. Yes, yes. I sweeten it with a little honey. You can use brown sugar or whatever sugar of your choice. And guys, I add a little bit of ginger and lime. You can add lemon. All right guys, this is it. Love upon me and I love upon you. You have a wonderful day. Bye guys. Woo, look at that. I want to taste it. But I gotta take the picture first. All right guys, you know I'm gonna taste a little bit for you. Oh my god, so good. Mint gone down in there. That's okay. Amazing. Oh my god, look at that. Oh my goodness. Bye guys.